Guys, welcome to another episode of the Forager. As you know, the channel name has changed, so the Forager or the Forager PNW. And today we have a few brave souls that's coming out in this cold weather. So stay tuned and let's see how they do today. This is the brave soul that's gonna come out today. We got Ep.2, and Tett.
No one knows that.
See it?
Yeah.
All right.
This one, that little white dish.
There's three.
Oh.
Open it. 4.
Oh my God. Oh my
See
God.
that? Yeah.
Oh. Whole family.
Yeah.
There you go.
Go ahead and dig it up. Here,
Use
there's
your
a
hands
stick.
if you can, if you want to use a stick.
Yeah, there's another one right here. See it? Right here?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Right there.
Oh,
See that?
my goodness. I wouldn't know. Oh my God.
Oh, those are good ones.
Yeah.
These are almost number one.
No, they're not. That's number one.
think so? Yeah.
These 3 are number 1. Yeah.
Very nice.
So you don't really have to do it too much. Just close it. Yeah. That's all you have to do, okay?
Ooh.
And
Oh, there's
Pyo.
another one beside.
Pyo and Tett.
Oh, 3. Oh.
The moss, you really can't tell.
Yeah, right away. Good job.
Yeah, he's got a good eye for this.
Yeah, I mean, he's got a good eye for time.
Yeah, he does. I'm gonna show her how to look for these small ones, okay? See that one? You can see that. You see that little bit of that? But this is another one, but I want to show you this. This is what's more important than seeing. This is the clear indicator that there's something pushing up that moss. And let's do it. There we go. See, just that little black area in that moss. So, you guys gonna get the full tutorial. See? Yeah, I know these are small, but guys, these guys are coming along.
Yeah.
Good soup size. Yeah, get the root out of the way.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Hey.
Yeah.
Oh, baby one.
So once you find these small ones, the bigger ones are going to be easy for you to spot. That's why I'm giving you these lessons.
Yeah.
Keep coming.
You're warmer. You're warmer.
Warmer.
Keep coming. Look where I'm pointing at.
No.
I don't know if you can see it.
Not. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Come on, you do the honors. Come over here.
That's a pretty big one.
very big one.
Massive one.
You want to pick it?
Yeah, pick it.
Yeah, come on.
Come on, one of you.
Just kind of grab it and shake it a little bit.
Okay.
Wiggle, wiggle. There you go.
There you go.
Yeah,
Perfect,
keep going.
perfect,
Keep going.
Might have to help you so you don't break this stem. There
No,
you
I
go.
don't think
Pull it out.
she's got it.
Yeah.
She's got it. Let me see.
Oh,
Oh, it's a number 3.
Oh my God.
Number 3.
That's
beautiful.
Still good mushroom. Here, yeah, you can see it. Look at that. Wow. Grab one each. Look at that. See, like I said, people don't like to come in the vegetation because in this rain they get wet. Just wiggle the top. Yeah, just wiggle. Like, there you go. That's pretty much it. Pull. There you go.
Here, look.
Yeah, that looks like a 2. Was it? Oh, it's a 3. Grab that one.
Ooh, I found one here.
You found one behind AE. Oh yeah, a button. A button too. Very hard to see. Good job. Good job. So look around. So let's work like this. See if there's any more through here. Keep coming. Okay, now turn around. Turn around. All the way around. All the way and look down. That's nice. Any more around here? I can see it from over there, but you guys won't be able to see it because you're coming this way. That tree? Yeah. There you go.
Whoa.
That's a 2. That's definitely a 2. Behind you, down. Down, down.
Wow.
Button.
Oh,
keep going.
No, that was 3.
3. See? Yeah. Might be one more. Nope, 3. Go ahead. Pick
Whole
those.
family.
Yeah. So usually there's never one.
Mm-hmm.
You know, usually there's a few, but sometimes you do just get one.
Well, I think you broke the tip a little bit.
Oh, it's okay. You're gonna eat it anyway. Yeah.
Hey,
And every time, always cover. Here, look at 3 right by that big one we just found.
Whoa.
But there's 2 more over there by that stump.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah.
That's pretty soft. You need the stick, let me know. There you go. Nice.
Yeah, there's 2 more over here. This one was less obvious. We'll come here. Show you. Remember I picked up this one? That was right here. But then come here, look. Can you see this? You see that?
Ooh, whoa.
See it? But hold on, watch this. There's a bump right here. I messed up the bump.
No way. No way.
All right, go ahead. Have fun.
Yay.
Have fun.
Wow, this one's really big.
Yeah, that's a nice button. And it's by the base of that tree, yes.
Wow.
Okay, cover that up. I'm checking you out, okay?
Yeah.
Good job.
Nice one. Found it from here.
You found there?
Yeah, from here.
Right there, okay.
Yeah.
So look,
Oh!
hold line, hold
Oh
line.
my God.
Hold line, 3,
Oh my God.
3. Yeah.
Follow the timeline, as they say.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a line.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool.
Okay, so yeah, that's why I came over. I was like, okay, let's see if she missed any.
We're getting olives over here, eh? Come on, check this
I
out.
was about to
Hold on,
leave.
wait for him to come by. He's got a video.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow, that's the whole family.
Hey, yeah,
whole line.
look
They
how
get
much I-
perfectly in a line.
I found one like from here, and then there's like a family.
Yeah.
Oops.
See, this is why it's so easy to miss.
Oh,
To miss them, you know. That's why you guys are out here with me to find the ones that it's hard to find.
You want a stick?
There's like
There we
a-
go.
There you
You got it.
All right.
There you
Nice,
go.
that's a good one.
Yeah.
These are good size.
Good button size, guys. Yeah. Wet. Wet, but there's mushroom. It's okay. It makes up for it.
Yeah, you guys are braving the elements and still finding a lot.
Yeah, all the way from Beaverton. Oh my God.
Awesome. There's a baby one right there.
Yeah, maybe one.
There you go. Good job.
There you
There we
go. Nice.
She's covering. She's covering.
Wow, look
Oh,
at that.
sideways.
Sideways.
Sideways mushroom.
So this is the one I like to use the stick on. You just kind of go underneath.
That's a big one.
Oh, that's a
Sideways.
huge one.
It grew sideways for that one.
You think that's my family? Oh my God.
Show you guys how to spot the babies. Okay, we saw these, right? I saw these, but look. See that?
Oh,
Watch that. See that?
Line.
Yeah, probably this one too. See that?
Oh, that's a...
See that? There we go. So that's why it's so crucial to go slow. All right, let's pick these and we'll keep looking. It's cold. We need to pick as much as we can before we get soaked.
Video.
Yo, wow. The whole line.
More than we can eat, huh?
Yes. These are expensive. But I also believe that, if you can learn how to pick these yourself, why not, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And you don't pay, and you can have a physical activity to do. Come with friends and smile in the woods.
Getting wet?
Getting wet.
I don't mind at all.
So obviously you can see that, right?
Yep.
Okay. Wait till everybody gets here. But there's another one that I want to show you that sometimes is not visible. And this one. That one right here, okay? Let me show you. Let me show you. I already see it. Let me show you. Look.
Oh! Oh my God.
Look.
Family, look at that.
Look.
Oh my God.
See? Did you see any bit of that?
Whoa.
Did you see any bit of that? No, right?
No way.
Yeah, so that's why I waited for you guys to get here so I can show it to you.
Oh,
Okay, pick it.
awesome.
Pick it.
Okay, I will help you. Okay, that
Need
one
2 hands
here.
for that.
Oh,
Oh, just finding more.
Good job. Good job.
this is my third one.
Good job. Man, somebody's an awesome people. It's beautiful.
Ooh.
And everybody walk past this, they would never see this. You know how I know that? There's a little crack. And I was explaining to Andy too.
I didn't believe him.
And I was like, it's 100% Andy.
I was like, no way, this looks like disturbed soil.
Okay, close that. Yeah, okay, good job. Oh, they're having fun. They're happy.
Yep, very.
Check out right behind Andy.
Oh, that one? No, this one?
Oh, yeah.
And probably not this one. Probably not this one, guys. Okay, let's move this around. I saw that, but there's a bump right here. Is it it? This is a bump, okay?
Oh,
Open
gosh.
that.
Go ahead, somebody open this. Pio, you want it? Go ahead, Pio, you do the honors.
Okay.
Be careful.
Okay, let's see.
Is it? Is it?
Oh my God.
Is it 2?
Those are good ones.
Decent button. Oh, everybody's happy. Wet but happy, people.
Oh my God. Wiggle, wiggle.
Wiggle, wiggle.
Okay.
There you go. Oh, that's a good one. That's a beautiful mushroom.
Great
Alright,
job.
hey.
Got a smile.
Yeah.
That's a big one.
That's going to
Yeah.
be even bigger, too.
Yeah.
Out of the way. Make some room for the big
And I was
guy.
so confident that I'm gonna find mushroom here with you guys,
Uh-huh.
even though everybody else left.
Yeah, they were like, there's nothing here. Just got to go right past where they were.
Look how long that is. That's a long stem.
Beautiful.
These are nice buttons.
These are very nice buttons.
Yeah.
Yeah, 3. So it's 3 of us.
Yeah, one for each.
All right, great job. And right by, we're still following it down.
3 of us. Oh my God.
Beauty, beauty.
Oh, beautiful. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, that guy's deep
Oh my.
under the roots. Better not step on it.
Yeah. Oh.
That's way deep. Look how big of a hole that left.
Wow.
Jeez. Okay, let's they have fun. Our turn to have fun. Come here.
Like a little boxing glove.
See that? Right under his leg. See that white stuff sticking out over there? Right there. Right there. Under there. That's it. Dig it up. And not just there. Look up over there. You can see more over there. Come on, Tett. AE's gonna do that one, but Tett, come here.
Yeah.
Right here, watch. You see this one right here, right?
Here, more.
More? Yeah, 2 more.
Oh.
Okay. See that?
Yeah.
And you see this? Look, look, look. Right here.
No.
There might be more through here. Grab that. There's actually more up here. There's a bigger one up top. Watch. Got this one. Grab that. Ooh. Look at that one over here.
Oh yeah.
And right there too. See that whole line going up.
No, there's nothing.
See the whole line going up. Who said? They said there's no mushroom here. Okay, they left here really fast. No mushroom here, but look at that.
Mom.
Look at that.
Mom.
So I'm trying to get you, like, since it's hard for them to find, and I'm teaching you guys how to find, so you're already starting to be really good. Look at that. Tett found her own, guys. Look at that. Keep going. Oh, yeah. Keep going. Nice ones. And sometimes you don't even need to tear up the moss. You know, like all you can do is you put your hand like this. You can feel the bumps too. Okay.
Yeah.
Good job. Wow. Oh, 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 oh! I feel the head. Feel it. Feel it. You feel the head?
Feel it?
Feel the head. Right there.
It's a
Okay.
baby.
See? Keep going. See, you don't really have to tear up the moss. You can feel it sometimes. And that's it. Look at that. On her own. And pretty small. Difficult to see. Oh, right behind you. Right behind you. Look.
Where? I cannot see. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, huge one!
So sometimes all you do is you have to turn around and you know, at a different angle.
Oh,
That's big.
beautiful.
Get your hand underneath the leg. It's stuck on a root.
Yeah.
Go ahead, pull it.
There you go.
There we go. See that?
Oh, beautiful one.
Sometimes all you gotta do is turn around. And right by there, guys, is
Oh my
good.
god.
Whoa.
Oh,
Yes.
wow.
Yes. Here, move
And
that.
then more.
Yes.
More.
Great job, guys.
More.
Great job. And we're, you know, and we're not tearing up the ground like what we've been seeing, you know. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Cover.
You got a lot. Let's see how much you got. Look at that. Oh my God. That's a Rusula, but those are some nice pines in there. AE, how'd you do? Oh my God, guys. That's a pretty decent amount. And it's only been like maybe 3 hours.
Yeah?
Yeah, did you guys have fun today?
Yeah.
And they braved the rain. As you can see, I'm wet and it's wet. Everybody's wet.
But we still had a great time.
We had a great time, and people left this spot saying there's not enough mushroom here. We proved them wrong. And they learned quick, okay?
Very quick. They were finding them on their own.
Yeah. So you guys are great, awesome, and thank you for being part of Foraging for Education, guys. I appreciate you guys. And that's going to do it for the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. See you guys.